Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest saw velvet moon pillow, crochet pillow, bohemian and decor beautiful pillow, blush moon decorative pillow. This crochet moon pillow will bring to much sweetness to your home. The pillow will compile this crochet pillow at the perfect essence to any room in your home, and stuff through pillow will make your living space warm and cozy. So if you are looking for a perfect housewarming gift or gift for her, this handmade pillow will be a perfect match for it. Beautiful and latest, the pillow is crochet and from soft pillow cushion.